Start by shutting off the shutoff valve and removing as much water from the bowl and trap as possible before you touch the toilet. Begin by confirming the shutoff valve is fully closed and then test by flushing once to empty the tank. Use a hand pump or a small cup to remove remaining water from the bowl, then pour a single bucket of water into the bowl quickly and immediately siphon or sponge out that water to encourage the trap to break suction and drain more fully. Place towels and a shallow pan around the base to catch any residual drips and loosen the supply line with an adjustable wrench where it meets the toilet, then cap the supply stub or tuck it aside to avoid a spray when the connection is disturbed. Unscrew the closet bolts at the base, cut any caulk with a utility knife so the toilet will lift cleanly, and remember to rock the bowl gently side to side while lifting straight up to avoid breaking the wax ring and splashing. If the bowl still contains some water, tip the toilet slightly to the side away from floors or walls so remaining water pools where you can sponge it into a bucket. Once free, immediately set the toilet into a heavy-duty contractor bag or wrap it in an old blanket to contain drips and transport it carefully to the disposal area. Finally, plug the drain with a rag or temporary cap and clean the flange area to inspect for flange damage or needed repairs before installing a new fixture. Common mistakes include forgetting to fully close the shutoff valve, which can cause the tank to refill and spill when you disconnect the supply line. So always test the valve and keep a wrench on hand to tighten it if needed. Another frequent issue is trying to lift while the closet bolts or caulk are still holding the base down, which can break the flange or cause sudden movement and splashing. So cut caulk and remove bolts first and lift slowly with steady vertical motion. A third problem is not containing residual water in the bowl and trap, which leads to drips during transport. So tip the bowl to one side to direct remaining water into a bucket and immediately bag the fixture to prevent leaks in the vehicle. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and gives both sides a place to find work and projects related to home repairs like toilet removal. We also host a community discussion area where users share tips, ask questions, and compare contractor experiences.